Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Syahmi bin Muhammad ASRI. My matrix number is 08DJK19F1026. I'm from DJK3A. So in this video, I want to show you all about how to wire a 3-pin plug. So let's look at the tool. Tool that we want to use is 3-point pin plug. Next, Phillips head screwdriver, test pen, wire stripper, and the important thing is wire. Firstly, the plug head must be removed by loosening the center of screw using Phillips head screwdriver. Don't forget to keep this screw safely as you need them to assemble. Remove the plug head. After the plug head had been removed, the screw at the terminal must be released by using a test pen. Next, the outer layer of wire must be removed using a wire stripper, but don't cut it too much because it will damage the internal copper. Okay, after the outer layer of cable have been released, the cable must be placed into the plug just to make sure that it fits enough with the plug. If the wire is too long, just mark it with the wire stripper and cut it. After the length of wire had been adjusted, we need to twist the copper to make sure it not slip when we tie it into the terminal. Okay, the next step is the twist wire must be placed into the plug. But before that, we need to look at the light diagram. Okay, we start with the L terminal. L terminal means left terminal. Left terminal, we put the red or brown wire. This is the brown wire. Next, E terminal, or we call it as a earth terminal. We need to put the green or green and yellow wire. This is the green and yellow wire. Next terminal is M terminal. We need to put the black or blue wire. This is the blue wire that we need to put into the N terminal. after the wire has been tied, you must check at the plug there is no copper exposed, because if there has a exposed copper, it will become the dangerous situation when you use the plug. Okay, before the head plug, place it onto the plug. You must check the wire that you tied before and make sure all the terminal has been tied. Okay, place the cap. Next, when the plug head placed onto the plug, before you tight the screw at the center, give the wire strong pull to make sure it's strong enough. Okay, the last step is assemble the screw at the center of plug. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum.